Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday lauded the sense of responsibility of the country's youth and said it manifested in the pace of COVID-19 vaccination in the 15 to 18 years age group that has covered over 2 crore children since its rollout this month. Virtually inaugurating the 25th edition of the National Youth Festival, Modi hailed the pace of vaccination of the 15 to 18 years age group. He said this showed the sense of responsibility of the youngsters. He further said, the role of the youth in the success of our COVID vaccination program is being witnessed altogether at a different level. We are seeing that the youth in the 15 to 18 years age group are getting themselves vaccinated at a quick pace. In such a short time, over 2 crore children have been vaccinated. This exemplifies the sense of responsibility in today's youth, and my confidence in a bright future of the country is further strengthened.